Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here. I just wanted to do this quick video because I've got this lid here for a Le Creuset pot. It's quite nice inside, but as you can see here and all here, it's got this burnt on muck and it's just not coming off. Now I've tried soap and water, hot water, scouring it, all sorts, and it just does not come off at all. So I've got a little trick. It's very labour intensive, but these do have some good value. So the stuff I use is this, which is called Barkeeper's Friend. I'll try and put a link down in the doobly-doo to the stuff, and it's like a powder. You can see there, it just comes out. And what I do is I'll take either a sponge, or there's these type of sponges, which is they're like magic erasers. Again, I'll try and link to them. And just get a bit of hot water in these, and I'll coat the entire thing with that, and then I'll show you the next step.
So as you can see, I'm just liberally applying it to the surface, and don't forget to wear gloves as well, because this stuff isn't the best for your skin and can dry it out. So what I do now is I use one of the magic erasers just to dab the surface lightly and just sort of massage it in a little bit just to start breaking that up, because essentially you're lightly abrading away all the gunk that's on the surface. So what I do now is I use a small stick of some sort to really get a focused sort of rub on the area. It could be any kind of just piece of wood with a rough point. I have used cocktail sticks before. You can see I've just got a small sort of point on this, and I really sort of use quite a lot of force just to focus that in on the specific areas. Cocktail sticks are alright, but they do generally break, so it's really a matter of just rubbing it in these sort of grooves and working the sort of slurry that you've created. You don't want to put too much water into these grooves, and it'll slowly work its way away, just making sure to wipe the surface away, just to see on your progress, because you don't really want to focus too much in one area to risk damaging the enamel. Also, with this pot, I'm going to actually remove the lid, the knob on top via the screw underneath, to really get into that top part really. So it's just a matter of continuing to do this, and then you'll get it nice and clean. So you can see here I'm just wiping it off gradually, and it's working away eventually, just wiping it back. And it's a laborious process, but as long as you're careful and don't focus on, you'll be fine. So you can see here I've got half of it cleaned up, and there's still the other half to go. I'm going to remove this knob here, and then you can see underneath I was able to sort of really get in there, and yeah, just continue on from there with this stick, really to get in the details. You can use a smaller one like this, or as I said, a really fine one, but I'd suggest going for the middle to chunky ones, and then just carry on.
So there we go, with a lot of elbow grease. It's all come off, and you can still see it's still got its sheen. So yeah, it's come out of all these details here. It's taken me about half an hour or something like that. But yeah, chuffed to bits with how it's turned out. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for somebody, and if you liked it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.